Good morning, my dear students, my 11th standard students. I hope that you will be well. Dear students, I have taught you two lessons and a poem. Dear students, the first lesson was the portrait of a lady and a photograph poem, and the second lesson, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. These lessons I have taught you, dear students. First, I will advise you that you have to try to understand the summary of the lesson. What the author want to say? What is the summary of the lesson? What is the main intention of the writer? What he wanted to say? It is very important. My dear students, in your examination, minimum 8 marks explanation will, will be asked, and now the question is, what is explanation? Before the explanation, my dear students, you have to write reference and context. Reference as like the introduction of the lesson. As these lines have been taken from the lesson, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together, written by Gordon Cook. It is reference. Next, my dear students, what is context? The meaning of context. What is the intention of the writer? What he wanted to teach? What is the summary? What is the essence of the lesson? That is the context. The main point of the lesson, that is the context. What about what topic, what matter want to tell through his lesson? That is the context. Dear students, now we will discuss about explanation. Explanation as a, suppose there is a paragraph from the lesson, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Suppose the first paragraph, you can look it very well about it, that you have to write and try to understand in your language, in your own language. You have to write, describe very well. Suppose for example, we took we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. Dear students, everything will be in English. You have to write in English, not in Hindi. So, dear students, try to understand easily. Suppose when we have a good knowledge, a good essence, good summary of the lesson, so definitely we can write very easily. If we have not any knowledge about the lesson, what is the summary of the lesson, what the writer want to say, so we cannot write. So dear students, as I have already told you, that try to understand the essence, the summary of the lesson, then you can write. You have to practice at home more and more. Do practice again and again. Then definitely if you will be expert in writing, then English will be very easy for you. I advise you, dear students, minimum 1 or 2 pages you should try to write in your own language. Don't copy here and there, but try to understand the summary. Then you have to write in your language. That is explanation. Explanation meaning that you have to write in your language and in an easy language so that the reader, the listener can understand what you want to say. That is explanation. So, dear students, you have to practice and write down in your notebook in easy language, because step by step I have taught you everything, and I try the best about the lesson. So, my dear students, try to understand it easily. You have to practice. The teacher, the parents, your parents can't do practice. They will guide you only. That is your responsibility, that you have to practice. If you have any problem, any hard topic, then you can consult your teacher, the subject teacher. But writing, reading, it's very important for the expert in your language. So, dear students, pay attention what I am saying to you. Try to understand, and I am giving you advice about the real condition of the explanation. So, dear students, who are serious student, who really want to do the work, who want that my English spoken, English language should be strong. So, definitely reading, everyday reading, writing, these are must for this language. So, dear students, today I give you a homework that every day you have to write in your language the topic, about any topic, as we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. That's, and listen my videos again and again. If you fail to understand one time, no worry, then again. And the same way, the portrait of a lady, I have told you many times. So, in this lesson, what the writer want to say? It's adventures. He's telling about his sailing. It's like a journey by train. Suppose you are going from Saharanpur to Dehradun, that you will describe about your traveling way and everything. In this, in the same way, the Golden Cook describes about his sailing. What happened during the sailing? What adventures we did? Too much. What difficulties we faced? So many descriptions has been done by the Golden Cook, and his little son has said this topic, we are not afraid to die if we can all be together. This topic, very wonderful topic. If you are strong, have a great power in your mind, great determination. So, definitely, nobody can defeat you, and you will win in every field of the life. Dear students, life is a battlefield in every way, everywhere. But now, knowledge is a weapon that will be helpful for your in every problems, and knowledge is the solution of every problem. So be strong, my dear students. This lesson instruct us that be strong, do good, and try to get knowledge every second, and be positive. This is the motto of this lesson. So, dear students, try to understand and write down in your notebook the summary of this lesson in English language and send me the homework. Thank you very much, my dear students. Be happy. Have a nice day.